In this quick and simple video, I'm going to show you how to access a screen capture facility known as Game Bar within Windows 10. There are some limitations with Game Bar which are important to point out so that you know what is and isn't going to be practical to record. Firstly, Game Bar does not record the whole screen. Instead, it only records an active program window. This means that it will record a single application such as Microsoft Word, an internet browser, or even a demonstration of the control panel. It will not, however, allow you to record your desktop or you going through your filing system. Also, it does not show any effects when you click, so you will need to make sure that you are clear when doing your demonstration to say that I'm now clicking on the button. Finally, if you are using a laptop, it is likely that it will have an inbuilt microphone, but if you are using a desktop, you will probably need some form of microphone to capture your audio. To make sure that the sound will be recorded when using Game Bar, you will need to ensure that your privacy settings are set correctly, so we are firstly going to take a look at these. To get to the privacy settings, click on the Windows Start menu. Then, go to Settings. Once here, click on Privacy. Come down to the microphone settings and ensure Allow apps to access your microphone is set to On. Then scroll down and make sure that the Xbox Game Bar is also activated. There are also some additional settings that can be adjusted if I return to the settings window. So here I'll go back and then access the gaming options. Here I can set various settings found within the different options down the side. Most importantly, within captures I can set the recording quality of the microphone and also the microphone volume. Once you have made all your adjustments, you can close the settings window. Next, open the program that you are wanting to do your demonstration of and have recorded. Here I will open Google Chrome. Now that Chrome is open, I can open the Game Bar by pressing the Windows key and G on my keyboard. Once Game Bar has opened, you will see a small bar across the top of your screen. Here we have the Overlay menu. This enables you to switch on and off different buttons on your toolbar. The three key buttons to have are Audio, Capture and Gallery. Also on the toolbar, we have the Settings button where we can change various settings. The first key button is the Audio button. Already I have the audio panel open, but if it's closed, I can click on it to make it reappear. Within Audio, I have the Mix section, which enables me to adjust the levels of the different computer sounds, and under Voice, I can control my recording sound for my microphone. Capture is the recording facility, letting you determine whether you want the microphone on or off, and has the record button for when you are ready to record. Gallery, which is currently closed, enables you to see your recordings once you have made them. Now, I'll begin recording the Chrome window by clicking the record button. You will notice that my microphone is currently on. If I click on this, there will be a strike through it, which means I will not be recording my microphone. I will now click record and the recording will begin. I can see a small toolbar in the top right hand corner of the window, and this shows a timer of how far into the recording I am, as well as the stop button. Now I'm doing a small video recording a demonstration in Google Chrome. I can click where I want and then begin typing. Once I've finished, I can click stop. The recording will now be saved and stored within a folder of videos in the filing system, ready to be used as necessary. The Game Bar feature is a really simple tool to use for when you want to record a lesson, tutorial or demonstrated process on the computer and then keep as a resource that can be uploaded and shared to your students or colleagues. If you have found this video helpful, please do click on the likes and share this on to others who you think would benefit.